Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best resin wood is probably one of the most versatile and visually stunning materials available today, blending the natural beauty of wood with the modern aesthetic of resin to create unique pieces that are both functional and artistic, making it an increasingly popular choice for furniture, countertops, and decorative items that bring a touch of contemporary elegance and organic charm into any space. Number 5. Superclear Tabletop Epoxy Resin. Our tabletop epoxy is independently tested and certified for food contact once cured. This ensures it's completely safe for any food-related projects. Experience an unparalleled ultra-gloss finish that provides a stunning, mirror-like surface. It enhances the aesthetic appeal of any project you create. Engineered for longevity, this epoxy resin boasts the highest level of UV resistance. It protects your projects from yellowing and maintains clarity over time. Formulated to withstand daily wear and tear, it offers exceptional impact resistance. This ensures your projects remain intact and beautiful under rigorous use. Designed as the ultimate bar top epoxy, it features self-leveling properties and high scratch resistance. It provides a long-lasting, super gloss finish. Crafted with excellence in St. Petersburg, Florida, this epoxy resin is made by a company with over 60 years of experience. You can trust its top quality, American-made craftsmanship. Available in various sizes, this epoxy resin is perfect for both small and large projects. It's ideal for DIY enthusiasts and professional users alike. What we like? This epoxy offers unparalleled food-grade safety and an ultra-gloss finish, making it perfect for countertops and bar tops. If you're looking for a durable, beautiful surface that's safe for food contact and resists yellowing, this is your go-to. Its high UV resistance ensures your projects stay stunning for years. What people say? The resin wood is incredibly durable and resistant to scratches, making it ideal for high-traffic areas. Its unique design allows for seamless integration with existing decor, adding a touch of modern elegance. The waterproof feature ensures it can withstand spills and moisture without warping or damage. Number 4. Craft Resin 34-ounce Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin Kit. Unlock your artistic potential with our premium clear epoxy resin kit. It allows you to create beautiful pieces with a glass-like finish that won't yellow over time. It's popular for a wide range of art and craft projects. Tired of bubbles and uneven finishes? Our advanced formula automatically releases air bubbles. For best results, apply at a recommended depth of 1/4 inch. Our epoxy is made with low-odor, non-toxic, and solvent-free materials. It's perfectly formulated for home and professional use, and is harmless to you and the environment when used as directed. It only takes 24 hours for our crystal epoxy resin to cure, becoming rock-hard and scratch-resistant. It's also resistant to heat up to 203 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring a crystal-clear, glassy smooth finish that lasts for years. Our 2-part epoxy resin kit is simple to use, even for beginners. The kit includes everything you need to get started and upgrade your resin game. What we like? Experience a truly bubble-free and fast-curing epoxy that's also food-safe. If you're a beginner or a pro looking for ease of use and quick, flawless results for art, jewelry, or coasters, this is an excellent choice. Its low viscosity and self-leveling properties make it incredibly user-friendly. What people say? The resin wood is beautiful and looks great in my dining room. I love the unique design of the resin wood table. It's a real conversation starter. The quality of the resin wood is excellent. It feels very durable and well-made. Number 3. TotalBoat Tabletop Epoxy Resin Kit, 1 gallon. Achieve brilliant, high-gloss results every time with our crystal clear epoxy. Its self-leveling formula makes coating surfaces and casting molds incredibly easy for everyone. Mixing is simple with a 1-to-1 ratio of resin to hardener. Just stir thoroughly, add your desired colorants, and pour for a perfect cure at room temperature. Create a smooth, durable finish that resists heat, moisture, scratches, and yellowing. This waterproof formula is also BPA-free, making it safer for your home and business. Whether you're coating bar tops, creating artwork, or preserving flowers, this epoxy is perfect for large or small creative projects. It's ideal for woodworking and decorative pieces. This kit includes a total of 1 gallon, covering 12.8 square feet at 1/8 inch thick. Enjoy a full cure in just 16 to 20 hours after application. What we like. This epoxy boasts an easy 1-to-1 mixing ratio, making it incredibly accessible for all skill levels. If you need a durable, waterproof, and UV-resistant finish for bar tops, tables, or woodworking projects, this product delivers. Its self-leveling formula ensures a smooth, high-gloss result every time. What people say. The resin wood is incredibly durable and resistant to scratches, making it ideal for high-traffic areas. The unique design of the resin wood, with its natural wood grain patterns embedded in clear resin, adds a stunning aesthetic to any space. Installation was straightforward, and the material is easy to clean and maintain, requiring only occasional dusting. Number 2. Liquid Glass Deep Pour Epoxy Resin 3 Gallons Kit. Achieve pours up to 4 inches deep with ease. This advanced formula is perfect for large projects, offering incredible depth and clarity. Our epoxy cures to a rock-hard finish, providing exceptional durability. Your creations will stand the test of time. Enjoy a crystal clear result thanks to its low viscosity. Bubbles escape easily, ensuring a perfect surface every time. Crafted with over 60 years of expertise by American manufacturers. We are committed to quality and innovation in every product. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this resin is easy to use. It's perfect for everything from river tables to castings. This food-grade safe formula is low odor and VOC-free. It's a safer choice for you and the environment. Engineered to resist yellowing from UV exposure and withstand heat up to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep your projects looking pristine. What we like. For ambitious projects requiring significant depth, this deep pour epoxy is ideal, allowing pours of 2 to 4 inches. If you're creating river tables, large castings, or anything needing substantial thickness with clarity, this is the one. Its bubble-less technology and high heat resistance ensure a flawless, durable outcome. What people say. This can definitely be done by a novice. But it's not easy. For deep pours, heat control is in my opinion more important than keeping it warm. The product worked well, it was only my misguided use that didn't make it perfect. Number 1. FUNSHOWCASE Wood Coaster Set Epoxy Resin Craft Kit. Unleash your creativity with this DIY craft kit. Perfect for making coasters, dioramas, or terrariums. These wooden coaster blanks offer a rustic charm, ideal for modern DIY home decor projects. Imagine inlaying them with glowing resin, gold powder, or mini ocean pebbles for truly unique designs. Create personalized, handmade gifts for any special occasion or holiday. They're sure to be cherished. This set includes 5 wooden coasters in both round and square shapes, each about 3.58 inches in diameter and 0.39 inches thick. Please note that the resins and filling materials are not included, giving you the freedom to choose your perfect elements. What we like. This kit provides a unique set of 5 wooden coasters in various shapes, perfect for DIY home decor and personalized gifts. If you love crafting coasters, dioramas, or terrariums and want a rustic base to start with, this is a fantastic option. It's ideal for adding your own resin and embellishments for a custom touch. What people say. The resin wood is very durable and resistant to scratches, making it a great choice for high-traffic areas. The unique design of the resin wood, with its natural wood grain patterns and vibrant colors, adds a touch of elegance to any space. The product is easy to clean and maintain, requiring only a damp cloth to wipe away dirt and grime. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.